With so much temptation in this season, it's really difficult to avoid, cakes and cookies and desserts. But I don't want to get ill, and I know that for me, eating those things could actually cause inflammation. So let me show you what I do. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. How are you doing? Right, what if I told you you could eat your cake and have it in this festive season? Yes, I'm talking about healthy, nutritious, healing, anti-inflammatory cake. Is it possible actually? So we're starting with date paste. So the dates, I've just blended my dates with some tigernut milk. I'll put every ingredient in the description box. And then I've added some flax eggs, okay? And just give this a good whisk until everything is well and truly blended. Next, we're going to be adding in some applesauce, guys. All nutritious olive oil, okay? Now you could skip the oil entirely, but I'm adding oil for this recipe. And next we add in some vanilla gives this thing the beautiful delicious flavor we want. Some nutmeg and cinnamon, okay? We're trying to replicate the common festive fruit cake with a healthier variety, but no raisins in here because I'm not too keen on raisins. Next we're going to add in our flour. We're using cassava flour, so it is grain free, it is gluten free, and it is also dairy free and anti-inflammatory. All the high allergens are actually not in this recipe. We're adding a bit of baking powder and baking soda for a little bit of rise. You can also completely skip this if you want. And finally, the main character, black carrot. Yes, we're using grated black carrots because we want to make this thing moreish. It's high in anthocyanins and also beta carotene and so many other nutrients, and it's actually quite delicious. If you've never tried it, give this a try. You can buy black carrots actually in your farmer's market, okay? Now make sure you give this a nice fold, mix everything in properly because you can see we've got a few lumps at the bottom. Just mix this and it's ready. This is a simple, delicious, nutritious cake for the season, especially if you do not want inflammation, okay? Because this is a season where a lot of people end up eating the wrong things, spiking inflammation. The inflammation bucket increases, and then what happens? You fall back in a rut, and we don't want that. Not for me, definitely. So I'm having this instead. It's baked for about 45 minutes and it's all ready. What I do, I bake this whole lot. Look, it looks like a proper rich fruit cake, doesn't it? Leave a comment and let me know what you think about its outcome. And it actually tastes really good. Even your gluten lovers will enjoy this. So I cut this into bits and I actually freeze the whole lot so that I can always have this whenever I crave something and not end up eating the wrong things and then feeling worse, okay, after it. So thank you guys for watching. It's just a simple homemade black carrot cake that I really enjoy making, and especially in the festive season, I want to have something as a treat but not inflammatory. So leave a comment if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share this video to those that are interested, and also subscribe if you haven't yet for more videos. And until next time, I will see you in another video. Now guys, let me know if what other anti-inflammatory gluten-free recipes you're interested in. Basically, I just share what I use, okay, what I've modified in my home to get me healthier and happier, free from fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, and pain. So these are the things I do, and I hope you try them, for it could actually help you. Bye.